Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I get curls on my really long hair. I do use a Remington 3/4 of an inch curling iron, and it heats up to 450 degrees. So I went ahead and separated my hair half up, half down, and then I also separated it in two at the bottom half. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do the right side of my hair. And I just curl and leave it on the iron for about 10 seconds. And then again, I separate the top half in two sections. And I just keep curling. I take about 1-inch pieces of hair and wrap it around the curling iron and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And I alternate going backwards and forwards, wrapping it around the iron to create more of in-depth curls. And always the front pieces go away from your face. So that is the final look here, and I just go ahead and brush it through and flip it on either side, so that way I get all of the curls separated and kind of give my hair more volume. So that is the final look. I thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you want to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I can do more hair videos for you guys. Also subscribe to my channel if you guys feel like it. You know, your girl likes to make videos for you guys. And if you want to join the Rebel fam, you can find me on Instagram at lifeofablonde_Rabell or rebelblondie_MUA, and also blonde_Rabell at Twitter. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.